Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can assign a ringtone to a contact on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. To do so, first we need to go to the phone app. Now over here you can switch to contacts in the bottom right corner. Then select the contact and then press this information icon. Now over here go to more and then we have change ringtone/vibration, and then we're gonna choose ringtone. Over here we want to allow access. This should be just this one time. And now over here we can choose a new ringtone for this contact. If you press on a ringtone, then of course you will hear the preview. You can also press this pause button in order to add your own ringtone if needed. And after that, once you are done, simply go back and the ringtone should be changed. You can also see the ringtone, the custom ringtone selected for this specific contact over here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.